Welcome to English class. I am your teacher, also known as Professor. My name is Mr. Jonas Schwartzen Smitherson. That is Jonas Schwartzen Smitherson. It is not Smitherson, it is not Jonas. But you can call me Mr. Jonas Schwartz or Schwartz. Moving on, I'll be taking attendance, and if you hear your name called, please make yourself known. And are you late for class?
No, me translator.
Maybe you can help me pronounce some of these names. Do we have a toe?
Tô,
tua,
Next up, do we have a pow?
bò,
tua,
This one must be Tom.
tông,
tua,
This one says Z. Or is it Z?
dê,
tua,
Next up, is there a two pow?
tú bò,
tua, tua.
Who is who and what is what now?
Cú yo tu, cú yo bỏ, cú yo tu bỏ.
he thu, he pao, he thu pao,
Alrighty then. Moving on, is there a Tong pow?
tông bò,
Tua, tua.
Okay, what's going on here?
Cú hu ua tông, cú hu ua bỏ, cú yo tông bỏ.
he thông, he pao, he thông pao,
Whatever. Next up, is there a 2Z?
tú dê,
Tua, tua, tua.
tú,
Cú yo tu,
dê,
cú yo dê, cú yo tu dê.
Next up, do we have a Tong Z?
tông dê,
Tua, tua, tua.
Okay. What's going on here? You trying to play some prank on me or something?
Cú yo tông, cú yo dê, cú hu ua tông dê.
he tông, he dê, he thông dê.
And who is this? Are you late for class?
Và tôi đi lọ. Dạ.
Alright then, what is your name, sir?
Cú yo mê hu ua tu tông.
He thu thông.
Tu Tong.
Tua,